Keith!
Corner.
Everybody find one. Hey, watch 15! Somebody on 15!
I got him.
Wait! What?
Up. Good.
Good, Brody!
Come down.
Wait! Mark up, everybody get a man. Closer. Yeah.
You!
Watch check in.
Out!
Keeper! Forward a little more into the left, right? Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, come on.
Keeper!
Boy, yeah, up.
D18. Watch far out wide. Win it in the air. Turn it face. Keeper.
Good job.
Top, watch top.
I got it top. Yeah, watch short. Out, boys, out.
Watch Brody, he's gonna try to play ground.
No.
Way! Keeper! Watch the check in. Watch the man coming in up top. Keeper!
Good job.
Get right. Watch through ball. Keeper! One on. Watch mid.
See that? There!
What on. Good.
Hold on. Yeah, Brody, come back.
What on. Deep. Yeah, Isaac up. Up. Up on it. Back.
Yeah, up. Yeah, Diaz.
Keep.
Good job. I couldn't tell if you were in there.
Keep going.
Argentino, good ball.
Up.
Yeah, up.
Up.
Out! Garcia.
I tried to pressure, my bad. Yeah, guys, up. Quick, up. Up and spin, get back.
Yes, Isaac! Yes, Isaac, stay on!
Garcia, no!
Watch middle. Liam top. Thanks.
Step up.
Watch middle.
Dude, back.